Right, so how do you communicate or AT command one of these? This happens to be on HC05, and I wanted to change the baud rate on this from 9600 to 11500 because I want to use it for something else. I also wanted to change the name. So what I did is I connected it up to the breadboard, and I connected it as follows. The orange wire there is to the 3.3 on here. The red wire is not connected, but that will be VCC there. It's just having a sleep up there. And then we have the black wire, which is ground. That's connected to ground over here. We then have our RX pin on the yellow. That goes to pin 8. And the yellow wire is on TX pin goes to pin 8, and RX pin on this greyish colour looking wire goes to pin 9. Now I don't turn this on because if I turn it on without starting the other bits, it doesn't work. So we go up into the bit of software here called Arduino. Come on, mouse. And it happens to have sketch already loaded, that particular sketch on here, so you don't have to, I don't have to worry about loading it, but if I do, there it is. I've saved it on my drive so I can get to it again. Then what I want to do is I want to go and go into tools, and I want to start my serial monitor. But before I do that, I need to turn the Bluetooth on, so I'm just going to plug the USB into it. And we've got flashy lights going on there, bit of happiness, it's all good. And then we will go and open up a serial monitor. At this point it's going to turn up that. It tells me that it's where's my mouse gone now? There we go. So we've got it knows the program, it's running at that speed, and that's correct. Down the bottom here we want to make sure that we have those two set like that. At this point is when I start the Bluetooth up by inserting the power wire, so that it will now automatically enter into the AT command mode. So we're going to let's insert that guy in that pin over there, and I know that it's there because that LED has got a nice long slow flash. Excellent. Up there we've got that. So now if I go and I type in on the top there AT, and if I've done everything right, I get a response of OK. That tells me that it's working. So if I go AT plus name, or actually let's do version. I do this as a second test to just make sure that we've got full communication, and there we go. So now we can go nuts and make this thing do other things.